The defense team of Bryan Kohberger challenging key evidence in court Thursday, arguing that several stages of the investigation violated his privacy rights. The hearing was closed to the public until about 2 p.m., but this is what we know about what took place inside that courtroom.
We are back on the record in State v. Kohberger.
Bryan Kohberger, the man accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students in 2022, was back in court Thursday for a hearing focused on DNA evidence and other motions in the case. Kohberger's defense argued the DNA evidence obtained by the FBI at his family's Pennsylvania home, which linked him to the crime scene, was obtained improperly. Defense attorney Ann Taylor argued investigators used investigative genealogy without a warrant, violating his rights.
This identification was done in complete secret behind closed doors, and it's been continued to be a secret. And that should raise red flags for Your Honor about privacy interests that are at stake.
Taylor also made reference to authorities who linked Kohberger to the crime scene through a trash pool.
And there was no warrant for that trash pool either.
As Idaho News 6 reported at the time, investigators obtained trash from Kohberger's family home in Pennsylvania in 2022. Investigators traced DNA found in that trash back to their suspect, Bryan Kohberger, through some kind of DNA database and pursued an arrest warrant. Prosecutors disagreed with the privacy claims, saying there's no expectation of privacy for DNA voluntarily uploaded to public genealogy databases.
There is no greater privacy interest in DNA than in fingerprints, so long as law enforcement is limiting its activities to identification.
The defense also raised concerns about law enforcement actions, requesting a frank hearing, citing issues over omitted information from affidavits and search warrants, such as details from the car search, where the defense says no blood was found. Taylor also raised concerns of credibility of a concealed witness, claiming investigators withheld that the witness had memory issues caused by alcohol.
The judge will now decide whether the DNA evidence will be suppressed and whether to allow a hearing to challenge the validity of search warrants and affidavits in the case. Kohberger is facing the death penalty if convicted. I'm your downtown Boise neighborhood reporter Riley Shoemaker, Idaho News 6.